guys, so today I would like to presentation about mental prison in the story The Telltale Heart by Edgar Allan Poe. So I am from Introduction to American Culture C with name 2310732045. So the first problems is the narrator is disturbed by the old man eyes. So the old man eyes have eyes maybe can disturb the narrator. And the second one is the narrator kills the old man and hides his crime. One night, the narrator kills the old man and hides his body into under the floor. And next, the madness of guilt and the narrator's inner pressure. So after kills the old man's, the narrator start guilt and start the inner pressure. So the aim of this presentation is to analyze how the narrator's inner pressure develop in this story. The next is the death of the old man and the narrator's mental distress. The first one is the narrator stalks the old man for a week and the next night kills the old man and hides the body under the floor. So for 7 days, the narrator start looking for the old man every day, and then 8 nights the narrators hear some voice from the old man and start stalks him, the old man, and then he start hearing some heartbeat from the old man and start confused and afraid that the neighbors will hear the same as the narrator. So and then he kills the old man and then put his body under the floor. So the next is mental pressure. The narrator feels haunted by the sound of heartbeat coming from the old man's corpse. And then after the narrators killed the old man, the narrator felt safe. No one disturbed the narrator. And the next, the narrator feels afraid and haunted by the sound of a heartbeat that coming from the old man's corpse. Next is the sound of heartbeat and restlessness. The first one is the increasingly loud sound of heartbeat. It means the increasingly loud sound of a heartbeat is the sound of a heartbeat from the old man's body start to increasingly and make the narrators crazy. The next is the narrator panic and confess the police. So after the narrator killed the old man, police came to the narrator's house, to the house, and start asking what that voice that hear from the neighbors, and the narrator start yelling and says that the sound is from the narrators, and ask the police to look around the house. And when they look to the old man rooms, the heartbeat becomes full of narrators' minds, and the narrators start panic, and the end the narrators confess to the police. The irony is the narrator claims to be sane, but his actions and thoughts show otherwise. So while the story, the narrator try to tell the readers that the narrator is healthy, not crazy, but the action of the narrator is show otherwise, not same as the narrator's claims. So the conclusion about this story is story message fear and anxiety. So the first one is the heartbeat shows the narrator guilt and madness, and the next is narrator's madness, guilt and fear. Yeah, the sound of heartbeat of the old man's make the narrator start guilt and fear. So the moral message is deep guilt can damage a person from within. So if we have a deep guilt for a person more a long time, it makes we damage our body from within. Okay, it means just no need to hide anything, no need to do anything that bad. Thank you. So that's was my presentation. If there is a fault, I'm sorry. So assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.